Hi, this is John. I'm going to demonstrate how you can create a PCD file to use with ProCAM or PypeServer so that you can use your automatic profiler to cut the various pieces of pipe you need for a spool. This spool has a 10-inch header, item A, which has two sockelets, a weldolet, a stub-on nozzle, a stub-in nozzle, and a lifting lug. There's another piece of 10-inch pipe, item B. It's just beveled both ends. This stub-on nozzle is item C, and the stub-in is item D. The PCD file will include all four of these pipe items. To make the PCD file, we choose Tools, Create PCD File for HGG Machine, and this is the file. We don't really need to look at it directly. Now we would like to launch ProCAM Lite and have a look at the contents of that PCB file. So we start ProCAM Lite. We open that file. These are the four pieces of pipe. We'll click on the first one, A. I'll just turn it around so that it's in the same perspective as the drawing. So you can see here there's the two sockelets, the weldolet, the stub-on, stub-in, and then the lifting lug goes on here. This is just a butterfly-shaped mark that it makes to show you where the lifting lug is supposed to be. Here's item B. It's simply beveled both ends. Straightforward enough. Here's the stub-on nozzle. You'll notice that the shaped end is beveled so that you can weld it to the outside of the header pipe. The other end is plain in this particular case. And then item D, which is the stub-in, it's not beveled. This is supposed to go flush with the inside of the header pipe. And the other end happens to be beveled because we drew it that way. When you use PCD files for production, you'll probably want to create them using the batch feature. To do that, you choose File, Make New List, then you select all the spools for which you want to make PCD files, hit Done, then go to File, Batch Operation, Generate PCD files, and hit Proceed. We say OK for 18 drawings. It creates the PCD file and it's done. Now all these PCD files are available for viewing in ProCAM Lite and for sending on to the automatic profiler. Thank you for watching.